Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to record a loop on a Stylophone beat. And this will be a tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is my Stylophone beat, and I'm going to show you the specifics for recording a loop. I'm not saying it's going to be a good loop because I'm just going to make it quickly, but the idea is that you're going to understand how to record a loop using this instructional video tutorial. So I'm going to start off by turning the unit on, okay? And now I'm going to grab the stylus, okay? And when you hit the pad, it's going to make some sounds, but before you go and touch the pad and make sounds, you're going to choose the sounds that you want to use for your loop. So I'm going to go to drums, okay? And I like this this one at the bottom here. We're going to go slide this down. That's the one that I like to choose. At least for this tutorial, I've chosen this one. I use all of them, but this is definitely one of my more favorite sounds, okay? One of my sounds that I like better in terms of the sound pack that's on this one over here, like with all of the pads together. So we're going to use the stylus to touch the pads and just hear what sounds we're going to use. There we go. Okay, so I have an idea of what I'm going to do. When you are ready, you're going to hit play, and then you want to, usually, I would like to turn on the metronome, so I'm going to hit click. And as you can hear right now, I'll just stop talking for a moment. The metronome is on. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit by using this little dial over here. Okay? That's the speed I like. And when I'm ready to record the loop, I'm going to hit record. When I'm ready to actually start it, I'm going to hit record. But I'm just going to get an idea for what I'm going to do first. Okay, I got my idea. So when you're ready to actually record the loop, what you're going to do is you're going to hit record, and this is going to change colors, this light over here, as you can see. So now it's red, you can see, so we are recording. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start recording our loop by trying to catch the beat, okay? So just listen closely. We made a loop. I'm dancing in the background. You can't see it, but you can see my hand, I'm dancing. Bring something else in. I'm getting this, I feel like I'm in a club right now. This is amazing. Bring something else in. Whoa! This sounds great. I don't even know what these sounds are off the top of my head, but I'm going to bring them in. Let's see what we can do. Try and bring in something over here. Let's see what this is. Woo! Wow! I'm like full on dancing in the background. This is amazing. We'll do one more sound. Oh, it's the same sound that we used. It's okay. It's all good. Bring something else in. Bring in some bass. I was going to just make this a short, quick loop, but we're bringing in everything. Ready? Wow! This is amazing. I wish you could see me in the background. This turned out to be an incredible loop. I thought it was going to be something that I quickly created, nothing great, but I'd say this is amazing. I'm very impressed with myself. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to turn this off just so I can finish talking with some quiet. okay? But as you can see, it's really, really easy to record the loop. I've shown you and told you exactly the process, and I made a completely amazing loop, if I do say so myself. If I do say so myself, I feel like I'm mispronouncing everything because I'm so pumped up. So yeah, honestly, that was an amazing loop, if I do say so myself. I'm very proud of that. Yeah, and like I said, I know I'm pumping myself up, but you know what? Sometimes you got to do that in life. You know, pump yourself up, make yourself feel good. It's a great thing. That's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it useful, entertaining, and hopefully you learned how to make a loop using a unit like this. And that's it. Other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video overall, I've got nothing else. So truly, with nothing else, you know, all that we have left is the outro. So truly, with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.